Ever feel stuck in a financial fix? Let's face it, life throws curveballs. Maybe your car needs an unexpected repair, or that dream vacation suddenly feels a little out of reach. Whatever the reason, needing to borrow money can be stressful. Now, if you're a Monese user, you might be wondering, can I actually borrow money directly through the app? The answer is a bit nuanced, so buckle up for a financial breakdown. Monese itself doesn't offer traditional loans like a bank might. But that doesn't mean you're out of options. Monese actually bridges the gap by offering a cool feature called Credit Builder. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper. Building your credit score, brick by brick. Have you ever heard of the term credit score? It's basically a financial report card that lenders use to assess your trustworthiness when borrowing money. The higher your score, the better the loan terms you might qualify for in the future, like lower interest rates. Here's the thing, building a good credit score takes time and responsible financial management. That's where Monese Credit Builder comes in. It's essentially a tool designed to help you establish a positive credit history, even if you're new to credit or have a limited history. How does Monese Credit Builder work? Alright, so how does it actually work? Here's the gist. Sign up. You'll need to activate Credit Builder within the Monese app. There's a small monthly subscription fee involved, but we'll get to that in a sec. Set your savings goal. This is where you choose how much you want to save each month. This amount gets locked away in a separate section of your account for a set period, typically 3 or 6 months. Monese becomes your credit partner. Monese partners with a legitimate lender in the background. Behind the scenes, Monese essentially tells the lender that you're building your creditworthiness by consistently saving this chosen amount. Important note, it's crucial to understand that you're not actually borrowing money here. You're setting aside your own funds to build a positive credit history. Unlocking your savings and the big reveal. Once your chosen savings period is over, you'll get full access to the money you set aside. Here comes the exciting part. The lender Monese partnered with will have received positive reports about your consistent savings habits. This can potentially improve your credit score, making it easier to qualify for traditional loans in the future, should you need them. Is Monese Credit Builder right for you? So, is Credit Builder a magic bullet? Not quite. Here are some things to consider. Cost. There's that monthly subscription fee we mentioned. Weigh the cost against the potential benefits of improving your credit score. Discipline is key. Remember, you're essentially locking away this money for a set period. Make sure you can commit to the program for it to be effective. Alternative options. Building credit takes time, but there are other ways. Consider using a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on someone else's established card, with their permission, of course. The takeaway, building a brighter financial future. Monese Credit Builder is a unique tool that can be a valuable stepping stone, especially for those new to credit or looking to improve their score. Remember, a good credit score opens doors to better loan terms and financial opportunities down the line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.